Hey guys, what's up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Valorant purchase failed while trying to buy a Valorant point. So here's what you could do. You want to open your right client, go to Valorant, click here on your profile, click settings. Now make sure they select Valorant. Make sure also that you have enabled the auto update. Now click here on the repair, scroll down and click repair, and then click start repair. And this will repair all your game files. This might take a minute or two, and after it's done repairing the files, it will say success. Now you want to click OK, exit out of this, and simply restart your PC. And after restart your PC, you want to relaunch the right client, but right click on it and click run as an administrator, and then simply click yes and let it run as administrator, and that should hopefully fix your issue. And after the client is relaunched, you want to open your Valorant and see if that fixed the issue. If that didn't fix the issue, the only thing you can do is go to status.riotgames.com and look here for your region, and then look up for your game, in this case Valorant. And if there's any issues, that might be the problem why it's not going through. They might have problem on their side for the purchases, and you gotta wait it out till they fix the issue, and then it should work out. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Valorant purchase failed. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.